To start or not to start? That is the question. You are well on your way with the family to the holiday destination, and well, the answer is clear. Hello, I'm Norbert, energy engineer, and in this video 98 we will have a review of the battery monitor for a car. I will not go on with the application of this supercapacitor for the car because the owner of the car didn't give me permission. I think that can happen. It is not my car, and yeah, what will you do? Will you fight? Is with your partner or with your father-in-law? I don't care, but this is the situation. No, of course, you won't make a fight. That's against good energy. Instead, we are do-it-yourself. We are very creative. So what can we do? Oh boy, what can we do with you? Well, what about 10 other applications for this device? Okay, that will be the subject of following video. Well, and the reason that I don't go on is that I wanted to protect the alternator against the big current which this device takes when it has done its work, because the internal resistance is very low. So what I wanted to do is to put a small resistance of like 20 milliohms or so between the alternator and the battery, where this device, this supercapacitor, is also connected. Because in this way the alternator will give a little bit less current to the whole system, but that is not so bad, because even with 70 or 80 ampere, I think that the alternator will do a lot, and it will be able to charge the battery and to give energy to all the other appliances in the car. At the same time, I didn't want to hinder the current that is going from the battery and from the supercapacitors to the starting motor. So it had to be in the cable from the alternator to the battery, without involving also the circuit to the starting motor. Well, that point was very deep in the car for the RAV4. So maybe if you are in the situation that the cable from the alternator to the battery is directly going to the battery, then you are a lucky guy, because then you can put this resistance. Well, maybe it could be a thing as simple as this piece of cable is, and then if it is 20 or 30 milliohm, then it could work. But okay, today I want to talk about another way to solve the question to start or not to start in your car. Well, and I think a very good solution is a combination of a battery monitor and also that emergency start booster, which I showed in this video here. Because then you know the state of your battery, you know also what you can do, how far you can go with consuming energy, for example with the cool box when the car is not running. And you know even the voltage at which the battery arrives when there is this big current for the starting motor, because today's battery monitor, it will record that and it will exactly tell you how much that dip is. And then you see also the voltage of the battery at every moment, and then you can just see if it is high enough that the battery is able to start your car. So now we will see how to install this battery monitor in your car. It's made of two parts. One system is on the battery and the other system is in your car, and they are connected by radio. The red goes here. It's nice, it fits. So they thought about that. I think this goes here. I don't know what sense it makes to fix this with this adhesive sticker, because there are these buttons here. But okay, one button is set to go between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and then there is this middle button for the on and off, but that is also automatic. And this left button is, I think, to give some light, but that is not visible because there's strong light, sunlight for now. So for the time being, I just leave it here. I found this product on AliExpress. I have affiliate marketing with both Amazon and AliExpress. They are just a convenient platform of getting materials in different parts of the world. They have also other kind of products. Maybe AliExpress is a little bit more choice in kind of parts, of components. Another point of AliExpress is that it is very easy to get it in the whole world. So you know that I make my videos for the whole world, also in the developing countries. I think solutions for energy are very important, but you have a little bit to wait. And otherwise there are also many people that just are comfortable with Amazon. So I decided to work with both. So I got this product with AliExpress, but I will provide you also a link to a similar Amazon product, and I will look well opinions and to the description, so that you are sure that you get a product that also other Amazon shoppers are also happy with. If you like this video up to this point, I would like to invite you to like the video, to make a subscription with a notification, so that you will be able to find my channel easily and be notified every week 1 or 2 videos focused on energy in your home. So that's on the crossroad between do-it-yourself, and there are enough do-it-yourself channels on YouTube, and also energy. So I am on the crossroad, and every video again of these 2 areas, do-it-yourself and energy. And with energy I mean that in your home you save energy, you pay less for energy, you are more secure of supply, and you save the planet. I would very much like to make this a full-time job, and I have really enough ideas to make content for every week for the next 10 or 20 years. So I hope you will support me. So now in the next part you will see a review and some consideration of this product of AliExpress, the battery monitor. So and now when we switch it off, the car, it goes slowly down from 14 to now 55. And then you see here also the state of health, SOH. It's 90%. It's the quality, the state of health, and not how much energy is in it. That is set by the SOC. It's now at 98%, and he knows about LED batteries. It's programmed in this, and then you have probably a lookup table here. You see now that it's also charging. That is because of the solar panel here. and the temperature is now 35 degrees Celsius. And I think that can be very hot if you leave it on a summer day here in Italy. So the cranking voltage is 10.6 volt the last time, and that was the first time also. Now I start. Yes, it's again 10.6, so that doesn't change. It's now going to 30.9 volts. That's not much, so it's a good voltage regulator. Even at this 800 RPM, it just touches very much. So now in the next videos I will certainly tell you what I want to do with this box. I will certainly not put them in the trash bin, because there's really much what you can do with this thing. And one of those things what I find very interesting is micro welding. Well, if you see this pack of batteries which comes from here, but also from many other places, well, then they are connected to each other with these small kind of strips, and you have to connect them to the batteries in a way that the batteries will not be distracted. So you have to be very quick, and you just make little points where the metal will melt, and then it will connect to the battery with these strips, which are also easy to buy. And there are many other types of things that you can do. For example, you can connect quickly wires with metal objects, or wires between wires, etc. So we will talk in another video about that, and also about 9 other applications. So I wish you good energy, and until the next time.